Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, our topic for today is scalar product or dot product of vectors. It is a type of multiplication of vectors. In this topic we will multiply two vectors. Suppose vector A and vector B. When these two vectors are multiplied to each other in such a way that we put off sign of dot between these two vectors, so such type of multiplication means product of vectors is called dot product. As resultant of such product is a scalar quantity. Suppose resultant is C. Here C is a scalar quantity, so such product will also be named as scalar product. When two vectors are multiplied by this technique, means by dot product technique, then their resultant will be found by this technique. Suppose vector A and vector B are multiplied by dot product technique, then resultant will be found as magnitude of first vector. Here A is first vector and projection of second vector on first vector. Vector B is second vector, so we will find the projection of vector B on vector A. Suppose graphically these two vectors, suppose vector A and vector B, vector A and vector B making an angle theta with each other. We have to find the magnitude of vector A. Here A is magnitude of first vector and Bx from the distance from O to N, which is Bx or B cos theta. X is equal to cos theta. B cos theta is the projection of this vector projection of vector B on vector A. Distance from O to N, which is equal to Bx, is projection of vector B on vector A. This equation will be magnitude of first vector, means vector A is magnitude of first vector, vector A, and Bx is projection of vector B on vector A. X is equal to cos theta. We have find vector A dot vector B is equal to AB cos theta. Similarly, we have to multiply vector B with vector A by dot product technique. Then we will find vector B magnitude of first vector, B is first vector, and projection of second vector, A is second vector in this case. Projection of second vector means vector A on vector B. Magnitude of vector B will be represented by B. Projection of A, here distance from O to N, which is equal to Ax or A cos theta, is the projection of vector A on vector B. Projection of vector A on B is equal to Ax. X is equal to cos theta. Resultant will be equal to B A cos theta. We can write B dot A vector B dot vector A is equal to AB cos theta. From equation number 1, from equation number 2, we can write vector A dot vector B is equal to vector B dot vector A is equal to AB cos theta. So dot product of vectors is commutative. We can say that dot product of vectors is commutative. Characteristics of for example, we multiply two vector force and displacement. As a resultant of these, product of these two vector is equal to work. Work is a scalar quantity, so work will be equal to dot product of force and displacement. We can also write F dot D, vector F dot D is equal to Fd cos theta. Similarly, power is the dot product of force and velocity. Here force is vector, velocity is vector. As a resultant of multiplication of these vector is scalar, means power a scalar, so we will put the sign of dot between these two vectors and by simplifying resultant will be equal to FV cos theta. The work and power are the examples of dot product of two vectors because these two quantities, work and power, are scalar quantities. Characteristics of dot product. Number 1, vector A dot vector B is equal to vector B dot vector A, as we have proved in this topic, in this by mathematical equations diagram, that A dot B, B dot A are equal, so dot product is commutative. Suppose two vector A and vector B are multiplied by dot product technique, their resultant is equal to AB cos theta. Dear students, suppose these two vectors, means vector A and vector B, are parallel to each other. When these two vectors are parallel to each other, then angle between them will be equal to 0. Their dot product will be vector A dot vector B is equal to AB cos 0, as cos 0 is equal to 1, as cos 0 is equal to 1. So resultant will be equal to AB into 1 is equal to AB. It is maximum value of dot product. Suppose two vector A and vector B are anti-parallel to each other, then angle between them will be equal to 180 degree. Their dot product will be vector A dot vector B is equal to AB cos theta, theta is equal to 180, cos 180 is equal to -1, so resultant will be equal to minus AB. When these two vectors, suppose vector A and vector B are perpendicular to each other, means angle between them is equal to 90 degree, then their dot product will be equal to vector A dot vector B is equal to AB cos theta, as theta between them is 90, cos 90 0, so resultant will be equal to AB into 0 is equal to 0. Dot product of, we have proved that dot product of two vectors will be maximum when they are parallel to each other, will be negative when they are anti-parallel to each other, and dot product of vector will be equal to 0 when these two vectors are at 90 degree to each other, means perpendicular to each other. The characteristics number 2, self dot product of a vector. Suppose vector A is multiplied by vector A, their resultant will be equal to AA cos theta, as vector A and itself vector A are parallel to each other, angle between them will be equal to 0, so their resultant will be equal to cos 0, cos 0 is equal to 1, the AA is equal to A square. The dot product of vectors in the case of unit vector, I unit vector dot I unit vector, similarly j unit vector dot j unit vector, and k dot k unit vector is equal to 1. We prove I unit vector dot I unit vector is equal to magnitude of the cos 0, magnitude in this bracket we will put the magnitude of this unit vector have magnitude 1, this unit vector also have magnitude equal to 1, as these two unit vectors are along x-axis, means parallel to each other, their angle between them is equal to 0, cos 0 is equal to 1, resultant will be 1, 1, 1 means 1. Similarly, when two vectors I and j unit vector are multiplied by dot product technique, then their resultant will be equal to I dot j, j dot k, k dot I will be equal to 0, because angle between them is equal to, theta between them is equal to 90 degree. In components form, suppose vector A and vector B are multiplied in their rectangular components form. Vector A have three rectangular components. Suppose AX I unit vector plus AY j unit vector, AZ into K unit vector dot B vector in their components, rectangular components form in three-dimensional system will be BXI plus BYJ plus BZ into K unit vector. When these vector means vector A and vector B are multiplied in their rectangular components form, then their resultant will be AX. First of all, we will multiply this AXI unit vector will all these three values of the present in brackets. First of all, we multiply this value with this value. Answer resultant will be AX BX I dot I is equal to 1. Similarly, this value will be multiplied by this value. I dot j is equal to 0. This I unit vector value will be multiplied with this value. Resultant will be equal to 0. Now multiply this value with all these values. The resultant is equal to 0 plus j dot j is equal to 1. AY BY similarly will be equal to 0 when j unit vector multiplied by k unit vector with the dot product technique will be equal to 0. Now multiply AZ k unit vector with these three values. The k unit vector dot I is equal to 0, k dot j is equal to 0, k dot k is equal to 1. Resultant will be AZ BZ. We will find AX BX plus AY BY plus AZ into BZ. Dear students, the characteristics number 5 will be vector A dot vector B is equal to AB cos theta. We have to find cos theta is equal to vector A dot vector B over AB. If we refer only the value of theta, resultant will be cos inverse vector A dot vector B over AB. Here A and B are magnitude of these vector A and vector B. As we have proved, vector A dot vector B and their rectangular components form is equal to this value. So this equation can be written as cos inverse AX BX plus AY BY plus AZ BZ in over AB is called multiplication of vectors by dot product technique, also called scalar product. Inshallah we will discuss next article inshallah next day. Assalamu alaikum.